few paths for the politics of Dominic Cummings have become clearer post-reshuffle. A new Chancellor who might loosen the purse strings, and a new Attorney General who might take on one of those institutions he dislikes the most.
Suella Braverman has written and spoken about how her concern on the extent to which the judges are, as she sees it, trespassing on areas of policy that are better decided by political figures, by parliamentarians and by ministers. And so if the government does bring forward some kind of agenda to reform judicial review, then that's one more voice around the cabinet table saying that we should be clipping the wings of the judges.
There is another corollary to the fall of the ministers of May. The top Tory team has been divested of the people arguing for a softer or closer relationship to the EU. To some extent, Javid and departing Northern Ireland Secretary Julian Smith were the last of that breed. There is probably no one now at the top of cabinet, with the possible exception of Michael Gove, who might seriously resist a no-trade deal Brexit at the end of 2020. Unimaginable only a year ago.
I think the other potentially interesting impact of the reshuffle on Brexit is in what's happened at the Northern Ireland office. I mean, although the Prime Minister did negotiate a sort of new deal in terms of the Northern Ireland Protocol last year, a lot has been left undecided on that in terms of how it's going to work on the ground, when there are going to be checks, where there are going to be checks.